Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and here I'm gonna show you how to fix the account suspension problem in the Clubhouse. Follow the video till the end to get back to your suspended account after official company approval. There is no option to remove the suspension from the app option. So you have to manually contact the Clubhouse support team. Or fill up a Clubhouse support form, showing on my screen. Link is given on video description. Enter your registered Clubhouse email, enter your current Clubhouse username. Select the My Account and Profile option from the topic. Then, select Suspension Appeal. Now, give a summary and description in detail. Finally submit your query. How you will get a response. Time duration is not fixed, due to large requests of users complain, the Clubhouse support team will not get a response quickly. To get a quickly response regarding your query, you can send an email to Clubhouse support. Support email is support@joinclubhouse.com. Submit the valid reason for a response. Hope you get the important tips and settings in this video, so thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Also, comment on me to get more help from us.